Remember, like I mentioned, if you are the key person within your business, you are the biggest bottleneck. If this business cannot operate without you, it's going to be exposed during this stage because they will look at every single part of your business, every single moving part. You have to be aware of what is going on. Does your team actually know what they're doing? Or are they just, mannequins and they do everything that you say? And that's going back to what I mentioned at the start. You need to have SOPs, standard operating procedures, in your business documenting what takes place and how good your people are. I always tell business owners this: take care of your people so they can take care of your exit. If you train your people well and they can run this business, it's a lot more valuable. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's a lot more valuable because you're able to tell a potential buyer, hey, I'm able to walk away from this business and there's assurance that this business can run. Okay? So everything in due diligence will affect your valuations simply because a buyer will factor in risk. They could potentially change the terms or the deal can absolutely fall through. Remember, due diligence is not just important for the buyer, it's also important for the investors and lenders who will be in this deal because there's more stakeholders than just you and the buyer.